How to find the foci of an ellipse and calculate their distance. In this video, we'll explore how to find the foci of an ellipse and calculate the distance between them. First, we define the ellipse's equation and our goal, to determine its foci and the distance between them. We start by drawing the coordinate axes to set up our graph. The axes help us visualize the ellipse and its properties clearly. Recall the standard form of an ellipse. X squared divided by squared plus y squared divided by b squared equals 1. From the given equation, we identify a squared equals 16 and b squared equals 9, so a equals 4 and b equals 3. The foci are located at points plus or minus c, 0, where c is calculated using the formula. C squared equals a squared minus b squared. Substituting in the values, c squared equals 16 minus 9, which equals 7. Therefore, c equals the square root of 7, which is approximately to 0.65. Thus, the foci are at approximately plus or minus to 0.65, 0. The distance between the foci is simply to times c. To times the square root of 7, which is approximately 5.3. We draw a line between the foci and label the distance accordingly.